This channel has made me over $1,000 in the last 30 days, and as you can see, it has generated over 20 million views, making this channel generate over $1,000 in revenue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy me step by step, and by the end of this video, you should have all the knowledge to start your own channel and generate results just like me. So first of all, if you don't know how YouTube works, you need to use an aged account and make sure to follow my steps in my last video so that you don't get 0 views on your first short. Now, while your channel is warming up, you're going to want to plan out and make some videos. First, you're gonna want to head over to TikTok and find some clips that seem interesting to commentate. Once you have found your video, copy the link and head over to a TikTok video downloader and download the video in full resolution. After that, watch the video a few times and write an engaging script to commentate over the video. Once you have your script, you're going to head over to 11 Labs and generate a voiceover for your video using the script you just made. After you've made your voiceover, head over any video editing software and import your video in voiceover. Just for the purpose of this video, I will be using a free software called CapCut. Once you've imported your video and script into CapCut, make sure to cut out all of the silent spaces in the voiceover to give it a more fast-paced tone to keep viewers watching. Then head over to auto captions and generate some captions for your video and customize the font and style to your liking. After you've done that, trim the video down, add some arrows, circles, and any effect to improve the retention of your video. Once you have done that, head over to export and make sure to export at over 1080p so that your video quality is good enough for YouTube. Then head over to YouTube and upload your video. Make sure you click not made for kids, then add your title and description with a few hashtags related to your niche. Now, if your first video doesn't perform well, don't worry, as YouTube is all about consistency and you just need to keep posting until YouTube finally acknowledges you and pushes your video. After that, it's only up from there. If you want to learn exactly how I do what I do and want one-to-one help with me, then join my free community in my bio or click the link in the pinned comment where I help all of you make your first $1,000 with YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.